Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss your chapter number 5, that is the magic pot. So let's start. Shubhadat receives a very precious gift from the Yaksh, but what will happen to his good fortune when he cannot control his pride? This tale is adapted from the Katha Sari Sagar or Ocean of the Streams of Story, a famous 11th century collection of Indian legends, fairy tales and folk tales by Somdev. So students, this story is about a Shubhadat, and Shubhadat receives a very precious gift from the Yaksh. So firstly we will discuss students what is the meaning of Yakshas. So in mythology, heavenly beings said to guard the riches of the gods. Yakshas are the heavenly beings, okay, those beings who live in heaven are called the Yaksh. But what will happen to his good fortune when he cannot control his pride? But in this story we will read about the pride of Shubhadat, okay, and what will happen to his good fortune due to his pride. Okay, he has no control on his pride, by so his good fortune change into bad fortune. Okay, so this story is adapted from the Katha Sari Sagar, which is Ocean of the Stream of Story. This is a famous 11th century collection of Indian legends, fairy tales and folk tales by Somdev. Okay, it is written by Somdev. Okay, it is written in 11th century. Okay, and it is a collection of Indian legends and fairy tales and folk tales. Okay, now let's read the chapter. In Patliputra there lived a poor woodcutter called Shubhadat. One day when Shubhadat was cutting wood in the forest, he saw 4 yakshas dressed in beautiful silk cloths and shining jewelry. So students, Shubhadat was lived in Patliputra, okay, and there was a woodcutter, and that woodcutter, the name of that woodcutter is Shubhadat, okay, and he lived in Patliputra. And one day when the Shubhadat was cutting the wood in the forest, he saw 4 yakshas, 4 heavenly beings, okay, in front of him, and these 4 yakshas had dressed in beautiful silk cloths, and also they had worn shining jewelries. Okay, if they get angry with me, they will curse me, Shubhadat thought. Shubhadat thought, his legs trembling with fear. Now what did Shubhadat think? क्या सोचा उसने? If they get angry with me, okay, these 4 yaksh became angry with the woodcutter, okay, they will curse me, they will curse the Shubhadat, okay, if they get angry, they will curse Shubhadat. And he thought that, and his legs were trembling with fear. However, these yakshas were kind people, but woodcutter didn't know that yakshas were very kind people. Who are you? They asked Shubhadat gently. Shubhadat ने asking किया, who are you? I am Shubhadat. They asked Shubhadat gently. उन्होंने यक्षस ने Shubhadat से पूछा था, okay, who are you? तुम लोग कौन हो? I am Shubhadat, a woodcutter, my master, he replied. Okay, what did he reply? He replied that he is Shubhadat and he is a woodcutter. The yakshas looked at his torn clothes and thin body and decided to help him. They said to him, work for us for 1 month. We will reward you well. You will never be hunger again. Okay, what did yakshas ने क्या कहा? फर्स्टली यक्षस लुक्ड एट हिज टॉर्न क्लॉथ्स, उसके फटे हुए क्लॉथ्स को देखा, एंड ऑल्सो लुक्ड एट हिज थिन बॉडी, एंड देन आफ्टर सीइंग दिस दे डिसाइडेड टू हेल्प द वुड कटर. दे सेड टू द वुड कटर, work for us for 1 month. If you work for us for 1 month, we will give you a reward, and also you will never be hungry again. So but what about my family? Shubdat asked. What did Shubdat ask? Shubdat asked, क्या पूछा उसने? But what about my family? मेरे फैमिली का क्या होगा? Tonight we will send you to your wife in a dream, said the yaksh. What did yaksh say? यक्षस ने क्या कहा? Tonight, आज we will send you to your wife in a dream. Okay, सपने में हम तुम्हें भेजेंगे. Okay, you will tell her that you are safe and that you will return after a month. Okay, the yakshas told the Shubdat that, okay, you will tell her that, okay, you will tell your wife that you are safe and you will return after a month. Okay, 1 month के बाद तुम वापस आओगे. In the morning when she wakes up, she will find money and clothes by her side. Okay, when she woke up in the morning, जब वो मॉर्निंग में उठेगी, she will find some money and also clothes by her side. Then I will gladly work for you, my master, said Shubdat happily. शुभदत्त ने क्या कहा? देन आई विल ग्लैडली वर्क फॉर यू, तब मैं खुशी से तुम्हारे लिए काम करूँगा. शुभदत्त वेंट विद द यक्षस. नाउ शुभदत्त वेंट विद द यक्षस एंड दे बेथड इन द रिवर. उन्होंने रिवर में बात किया. एंड ऑल्सो ही हेल्प देम ड्रेस इन सिल्स विच दे प्रोड्यूस आउट ऑफ नाउ हियर. Then he laid out the gold plates which too they produced magically. Okay, now he got some silk dresses and also gold plate. Okay, which too they produced magically, जो magic से आया था. But there was no food. There is no food, my master, he said to the yakshas. यक्षस ने कहा, there is no food. He has silk dresses and gold plates, but there is no food, my master. One of them smiled and said, we know that. Take this pot. And he gave Shubdat a beautiful pot. Put your hand inside and make a wish. Whatever you want will come out of it. Okay. When Shubdat told the yakshas that I have need food. Okay, मुझे food की ज़रूरत है. Okay, but there is no food. यहाँ पे food है ही नहीं है. Then one of 4 yakshas smiled and said that we know that, हम लोग ये जानते हैं. Take this pot, okay, and you make a wish. Okay, put your hand inside that pot. Okay, put your hand inside that pot and make a wish. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, जो भी आप चाहते हो will come out of it. Okay, इसमें से बाहर आ जाएगा. Now Shubdat thought of delicious pulao and put his hand in the pot. Lo and behold, he had rice in his hand. Then he thought of meat and other tasty food. The dishes appeared before him. He put the food on the gold plates and set them before the yakshas. What a wonderful pot, he said after the meal. Now what happened, students? Shubdat thought of delicious pulao. He thought about the delicious pulao, okay, and put his hand in the pot. And after making a wish of pulao, he put his hand in the pot. He had rice in his hand. Okay, he can see rice in his hand. Then he thought of some meat and also tasty food. As he thought, the dishes appeared before him. वो उसके सामने आ जाते हैं. He put the food on the gold plates and set them before the yaksh. What a wonderful pot, he said after the meal. Okay, after taking the meal, he was surprised to see a wonderful pot. Shubdat worked with the yakshas for 1 month. Then one day they said to him, you have served us well. You will give you anything you ask for. Now Shubdat worked with the yakshas for 1 month. Okay, 1 महीने तक शुभदत्त ने यक्षस के लिए काम किया. Now one day दे सेड टू हिम, ओके 4 यक्षस ने उनसे कहा, यू हैव सर्व्ड अस वेल, वी विल गिव यू एनीथिंग यू आस्क फॉर, ओके। दे सेड सुब्रत दैट यू हैव सर्व्ड अस वेल, ओके, तुमने हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी सेवा की है। नाउ वी विल गिव यू एनीथिंग यू आस्क फॉर, जो तुम कहोगे वो तुम्हें मिल जाएगा। आई विल टेक द मैजिक पॉट माई मास्टर सेड शुभदत्त। व्हाट डिड शुभदत्त सेड, क्या कहा उसने, आई विल टेक द मैजिक पॉट, ओके। शुभदत्त सेड दैट ही वुड टेक दैट मैजिक पॉट, इफ यू ब्रेक द पॉट इट विल रिटर्न टू अस, आस्क फॉर समथिंग एल्स सेड द यक्ष, ओके। सेड द यक्ष ने क्या कहा, इफ़ यू ब्रेक द पॉट, ओके, अगर ब्रेक तुम तोड़ देते हो, इट विल रिटर्न टू अस, ओके, ये इट विल रिटर्न टू अस, तुम जो है इसे हमारे पास वापस लेकर आओगे। आस्क फॉर समथिंग एल्स, कुछ और मांगना है। बट आई वॉन्ट द पॉट एंड नथिंग एल्स, मुझे पॉट चाहिए और इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, सेड शुभदत्त। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज। Then take it, said the yaksh and gave that pot to Shubdat. Now Shubdat took the pot and went home. His wife and children were happy to see him back. Shubdat took the pot and went to his home. When he returned to his home, his wife and children were happy to see the Shubdat back. He showed them the magic pot. उसने उन लोगों को मैजिक पॉट दिखाया। He drew out beautiful cloth and shiny jewels from it. Okay, उसने इसमें से कुछ ब्यूटीफुल क्लॉथ्स और ज्वेल्स जो है वो भी बाहर निकाले। They were wonderstruck. What is the meaning of wonderstruck? Wonderstruck means admiration or surprise. Okay, they all are surprised to see this jewel or some cloths. Okay, let us have a feast for all the neighbors, but don't tell them where the food comes from, said Shubdat to his wife. Okay, now Shubdat told to his wife that let us have a feast for all the neighbors. सारे पड़ोसियों को हम लोग feast यानी दावत देते हैं, but you will not tell them that where the food comes from. Okay, भोजन कहाँ से आएगा ये तुम उन्हें नहीं बताओगी। So they invited 100 guests and served them the most delicious food they had ever eaten. Okay, उन्होंने जो है 100 गेस्ट को बुलाया, ओके, एंड सर्व्ड देम द मोस्ट डिलीशियस फूड, जो उन्होंने कभी खाया नहीं था ऐसा डिलीशियस फूड जो है उन्होंने उनको सर्व किया। यू आर जस्ट अ पुअर वुड कटर, वेयर डिड यू गेट द मनी टू बाय सच गुड फूड, वन ऑफ द गेस्ट आस्क्ड। व्हाट डिड द गेस्ट आस्क? द गेस्ट आस्क्ड दैट he was just a poor woodcutter and where did he get the money to buy such good food. इतना अच्छा भोजन खरीदने के लिए उसके पास पैसा कहाँ आया? He was just a woodcutter and he had no such money to buy such a good food. Now Shubdat grinned means smiled, okay, to himself but kept quiet, लेकिन वो शांत रहा। He was afraid that someone would steal his pot. ओके, उसे डर था कि कोई उसके पॉट को चुरा लेगा। बट द नेबर्स वर क्यूरियस, बट नेबर्स जो थे वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूरियस थे ये जानने के लिए कि इसे यहाँ इतना अच्छा जो भोजन है वो कहाँ से मिला। दे केप्ट आस्किंग हिम, वो उससे लगातार पूछते रहे। एट लास्ट शुभदत्त कुड नॉट स्टॉप हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम बोस्टिंग, ओके, बोस्टिंग मीन्स शोइंग ऑफ, ओके, ज़्यादा दिखावट करने से वो अपने आप को रोक नहीं सका। ही ब्रॉट द पॉट आउट, उसने पॉट को बाहर लेके आया एंड कहा, सी द यक्ष गेव मी दिस मैजिक पॉट, उन्होंने मुझे मैजिक पॉट दिया बिकॉज आई वर्कड सो हार्ड इट गिव्स मी एनीथिंग आई वॉन्ट, ये मुझे वो देता है जो मैं चाहता हूँ। Shubdat started dancing with the pot in his hand and then horror of horrors the pot slipped from his hand and broke. Okay, Shubdat was dancing with that pot and after that the pot slipped from his hand and it has broken. He quickly started picking up the pieces to put them together again. वो तुरंत जो है उसके pieces को दोबारा जोड़ने की कोशिश करता है। Everyone saw the whole pot and then it vanished. सबने उस पूरे पॉट को देखा और वो गायब हो गया। Shubdat cried, if only I had not been foolish इनाफ टू बोस्ट अबाउट द पॉट इट विल स्टिल बी हेयर। ओके, अगर मैं बोस्ट नहीं करता, ओके, दिखावा नहीं करता कि मेरे पास ये पॉट है तो ये आज मेरे साथ होता। वट अ फूल आई एम, मैं कितना मूर्ख हूँ। बट नथिंग कुड ब्रिंग द पॉट बैक नाउ, लेकिन अब जो है उस पॉट को कोई वापस नहीं ला सकता। शिवदत्त वेंट लुकिंग फॉर द यक्ष मैनी टाइम्स बट ही नेवर सा देम अगेन। शिवदत्त ने यक्षस को दोबारा खोजने की कोशिश की लेकिन वो उनको दोबारा नहीं मिला। Okay, so that's it the story. In the next video lecture, we will discuss the exercise. Goodbye everyone.